Good evening. Welcome to Ekta TV's Commodity Market News at 5. Every day we discuss about crude oil and study technically to find out various support and resistance levels in order to understand the big picture as well as intraday behavior. So we study the chart. Go to the chart of crude oil. Now I am taking you to the chart of crude oil. First we will study the big picture. I am taking you to the daily chart. In this daily chart already I have drawn this Fibonacci line. This Fibonacci line, if you look at 61.8%, the last support was broken, and it is, once that is broken, it can go for a 100% retracement. That is very close to this 2890, or you can call it 2900 levels. So that is broken already. The level what it broke was 3000, which yesterday I said once 3000 is broken, that could be a nice fall. That happened already. It touched the low of 2908 from 3000. Almost 100 points fall has happened. So it is very close to the support level. If the support level is 2890, this is broken, then the strong fall, another strong fall can happen. For all position traders can keep 2890 as their stop loss. This should be the way they study the big picture. We will go to the intraday behavior. So intraday behavior, if you look at, there is a nice pattern formations also I could see. This is kind of head and shoulder, and this the neckline is broken here at 3020 10 levels. A strong fall is happening. For these head and shoulder formations, if you look at 2970, and if you look at here 3150, almost say about 80 points. If we keep 80% of it, say about 140 to 150 points fall can happen from this 3000. So already 100 points, almost it fell down. So it can reach to 2860 levels for this pattern as a target, 2860. Okay, so if you look into the intraday point of view, if you want to study, the resistance level comes at 2970 and support is coming at 2920. Of course, strong support I told you, 2890 is broken, a strong fall happened. Currently the trend is down. An intermediate uptrend can happen about 2970. A small up move also can take place. We'll have to see whether that can be important. Support and resistance levels, if you look at here, it is 2920 is the support level, and on top 2970 is the resistance. And use this. Once it crosses about 2970, keep a stop loss of 50 points, 500 rupees risk for the mini. And the low side, I told you 2920 is the support level. 2890 is broken. That could be a very strong fall that can lead to another 40, 50, 60 points minimum. So that could be the scenario currently. I hope you like this video, and subscribe and refer to your friends also to subscribe. So put your likes and comments. Thank you very much.